Preposition. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. The preposition is placed before the noun or the pronoun. For example, the cat is under the table. Here, under shows the relation between the table and the cat. Hence, under is a preposition. Another example, the cat ran after the mouse. The word after here shows the relation between the mouse and running of the cat. Hence, after is a preposition. Types of preposition. There are three types of preposition: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction. Let us discuss them one by one. Preposition of place. It tells where someone or something is. For example, my bag is on the table. Here, the preposition on shows where the bag is. Let us see another example. There is a bridge over the stream. Here, the preposition over tells the position or place of the bridge. Some common preposition of place are under, above, at, on, in, beside. Preposition of time. It tells when an event or thing happens or happened. For example, I go for walk on Sundays. Here, the preposition on tells when the event walk happens. Another example, I have been teaching here since 1990. Here, the preposition since indicates the time of event teaching. Some common preposition of time are at, on, in, since, for, to, during. Preposition of direction. It tells in which direction someone or something goes. For example, we went towards the school. Now see here in the sentence, the preposition towards shows that someone went in the direction of the school. Let us see another example. The dog jumped into the pond. Again, here the preposition into tells the movement of dog towards the interior of something. Some common preposition of direction are into, over, towards, through, from. Apart from these three, another type of preposition is preposition of agency. There are two preposition of agency, by and with. By is used to express the agent or doer of an action, whereas with relates to the instrument with which the action is done. Let us understand them with the help of example. The burglar was beaten by some stranger with a stick. Now look here. The preposition by expresses the doer of an action, or we can say by indicates that the action beating is done by some stranger, and preposition with indicates the instrument with which beating is done, that is a stick. See another example. The lawn was mown by the gardener with a mower. Here again, the preposition by indicates the doer of an action, and with denotes the instrument with which the action of mowing is done. Let us recapitulate. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. A preposition is always placed before the noun or pronoun. There are different types of preposition: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction, and preposition of agency.